So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone videos and photos just keep basically downloading at lower qualities. So the very first thing you're going to want to do, and the main way to go and fix this, is to double check your internet speeds. Because if your images and photos and all that stuff, if they're downloading at lower quality, you may just want to double check your internet and make sure it's of good quality. So first of all, go inside of your Wi-Fi connection right here or your internet data connection, whatever you have, and just make sure you're connected to a fast Wi-Fi and or make sure that your cell signal that you have is also good. If it's not good, if it's like very spotty in and out, that's probably going to be the main issue that you're going to run into here. So double check that. That's kind of one of the first things I'd recommend doing here. Now on top of that, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is figuring out which particular app or area where you're going to basically downloading those particular images or videos or whatnot. Because if you're going through and if you're actually downloading these particular images from, let's say, iMessage, let's say you're downloading these particular images or videos from iMessage, you may just want to go and make sure that within iMessage, those people are sending you those videos and photos in high quality. Sometimes there are some specifications you can change inside of those particular applications inside of your settings. So if you go inside of your settings portion, if you find like messages, for example, you might be able to find a little option that shows like, compressed images or, download full quality images. Here you go, low quality image mode. If it's something like this, you can turn this off. But it's not only for messages, it's a lot of, Telegram, WhatsApp, all these types of applications will give you this type of, capability of disabling or enabling this if you want to. So that's basically how it's done. That's the main thing I would probably recommend doing for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.